Hello, I'm Austin Bergstrom from GNAR News.
And I'm Nick Gorhelski.
We are here in China where an earthquake has just occurred. Inside the Great Wall of China, Wang Chai is trapped. Do you know what the magnitude of this earthquake was?
Magnitude. He said the magnitude was 7.9.
That's pretty damaging. Wang Chai, I hope the rest of your crews can get you out of there.
Oh, this is the crew, no skateboard crew.
We're live at GNAR headquarters with our victim, Wang Chai. So, Wang Chai, what advice would you give to keep safer from these deadly earthquakes?
Tune into this song to hear what he says about earthquakes.
Since the earth has quaked, that means earth has not shaked. Better take cover, better take cover, better take cover, better protect your life. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely time. I'm stuck in a hole. If I was Steve Kitten to the first aid class, have a plan to stay away from the glass. Better drop down, better drop down, better drop down, and hold on. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely time. Woo-hoo! Hold down a book, kisses and get under the table.
That song was truly exhilarating. Now we are with our earthquake expert, Dr. Peter. How would you rate this song on a scale of 1 to 10 about the knowledge of the safety of earthquakes?
On a scale from 1 to 10, I would say it's about a 10. That song was just perfect. It portrayed everything you should have to be safe against earthquakes.
And since we're in San Francisco, would you say how?
Well, I think what my friend is trying to say is, does San Francisco have a bad and or good history of earthquakes?
Well, you see, in 1906...
Yes, it does.
Well, you see,
He's
in
the doctor.
1906, there was an earthquake that was 7.8 on the Richter scale and caused tons of damage. There have been many other bad earthquakes since then, and many small ones. So we advise all residents to have caution while living.
In the San Francisco area, which is also known as the tri-state area.
Dr. Peter signing off.
Nick Gorhelski signing in.
Thanks for watching GNAR News. We'll be back to you later with some more earthquake
Snugger.
phenomenals.
Earthquake!